Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today I'll talk about the care of this starlight ficus. Starlight ficus is a very beautiful plant. Its variegated leaves look very beautiful. A shade of light yellow and green look very beautiful. Bright yellow and green colors. It's a very beautiful plant. I also have some other ficus plants, normal ficus plants. These are my normal ficus plants with normal green leaves, and this starlight ficus has variegated leaves. Grow your starlight ficus in semi-shade place in partial sunlight. This plant does not like full sun as other ficus plants, as in full sun leaves start burning, so it likes partial sun. And grow your plant. If you are growing in a container, use a very well drained soil. To make such a soil, mix 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of river sand, and 1 part of organic manure, that may be cow dung manure or vermicompost. Add 1 handful of neem cake powder and 1 teaspoon of fungicide powder to make the soil mixture. And if you are growing in ground, normal soil is okay, but if the soil is too hard, mix some sand, river sand, to make it well drained and airy. During its growing period in from February to October, November, fertilize your plant with liquid fertilizer every 10 days. For that, you can dissolve NPK 19-19-19, 1 spoon in 1 liter, or you can give compost tea if you want to go for organic liquid fertilizer. Keep the soil moist, not soggy, so water your plant when the upper layer seems dry. And summers and winters are hard periods for your plant. During summer, when the temperature is too hot and dry, this starlight ficus sheds its leaves and your plant may become bare. So to protect your plant from hot and dry temperature, mist your plant or shower your plant 2 or 3 times a day, because it likes moist environment, moist surroundings. So mist your plant or shower your plant 2 to 3 times in summers, otherwise it will shed its leaves. In winters also, due to if winters are too cold, in winters also it sheds its leaves. So during winters, if you're in your area winters are too cold, shift it to any shady place where it can receive 2 to 4 hours of sunlight and can be protected from frost. So this is about the winter and summer care of your starlight ficus. And spray neem oil solution every 20 days to protect from any pest infestation. Fertilize your ficus in February with good amount of slow release fertilizer, that is organic fertilizer, cow dung manure or vermicompost, to 300 approximately 300 grams for a 12-inch pot. All ficus, including this starlight ficus, likes root bound conditions. In root bound conditions, they grow very well. So grow them in comparatively small pots according to their size. And when we come to the propagation of this plant, propagation of starlight ficus as well as other ficus plants is very easy. It can be easily grown by small cuttings, very thin and small cuttings, up to 3 to 4 inch long cuttings. I have grown so many. Every year I grow so many cuttings of all my ficus plants. And for taking cutting, I'll show you. Take with the help of scissors. Take any small thin branch of 3 to 4 inch. Remove all the lower leaves and grow it in normal soil. You can grow it in your ficus plant container along with the main plant, as I have grown this cutting 10 to 15 days back, and now I think it might have developed roots. Let us see. I'm pulling it out and you can see the roots have developed. Yes, there are small roots. So this cutting has started roots, and I'll grow it again. So now you have seen that the small cuttings of up to 3 to 4 inch, very thin cuttings can also be grown. And I'll this much cutting I'll show you. Yes, small cutting of this ficus. I'll grow this also, and I have already grown this cutting, and let me show you. Let's see that cutting that is on my top terrace, and I'll show you that cutting. And I will grow these cuttings also. In monsoon season they grow very well, so it's the best season to grow ficus plant by cutting. So let's see the cutting. This is the cutting, very small tiny cutting. And this plant I had also grown last year or few months back through cutting. And this plant also I grew by this small cutting, and now you can see its stem has become a thick stem, and I have cut all the upper portion to give it a shape of when these branches will grow. It will take a shape of canopy, and I'll use all the cuttings to grow new plants. Let us see this cutting whether it has grown roots or not. And see, this plant has developed a very good, well developed root system. Very small cutting with very well developed root system, you can see. So now you have seen that very small cuttings, this plant can be grown by very small cuttings of this cutting is I think it is 2 to 3 inch long cutting, and plant is it has developed a very good root system. So friends, this was all about the care and propagation of ficus plants. So friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye.